Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. It's Solae here. I am super excited to share with you guys what sort of fun things I did during my weekend. And you guys, I have been wanting to try out the E6000 glue for forever and ever and ever. And I was able to get this jewelry and bead E6000 glue. And I have been very busy using this very well. So I want to share with you guys what I have been doing with that E6000 jewelry and bead glue. So I have been getting these little clear bales from AliExpress, and I also have like this size here, which is a bit bigger, silver color one, and I also have some gold one as well, which I'll show you. So here's another little silver one that I've got. And I have, where are the gold ones? Have I used it all up? Maybe I have. Here's another little gold one here. But I had a bigger one in the gold color of this size as well. And I have been so busy using this up. So I want to share with you guys what I have done. So now this one here, this lovely resin piece is made by my friend at Bethy's Boutique Studio. She has a Etsy shop and also a Shopify shop as well. And she makes beautiful beaded dangles and charms and key rings and all sorts of gifts that you can easily purchase off her shop. So I will link her shop down in my description area for you guys to go visit. And this was a lovely logo piece that Beth has made for me. And so all I did was, using that glue, I added this bale so that I can make something special for myself. So there's that. And then she's also made me this lovely glittery emerald bow, which I have added the clear bale. So I'm going to make something for myself with that as well. So things that Beth has given me, I'm just going to make something for myself. I'm not going to be using it to make something else. So I will share with you some of the things that I have glued onto my clear bale. Here are some lovely perfume pieces. I believe I got this in a mixture of resin pieces, and I absolutely love these perfume bottles, you guys. I think I need a whole big tub of it. So I got those. Then I also bought these off the AliExpress, and I added the gold tiny bale on top of these deers, and I think the gold color and the pastel glittery deers, they just go so nicely together. I also have some, look at these. I also have these lovely gummy drop, like jelly type sugar drops. Is that what you call them? On a clear bale as well. Here's a pink one, and this is a star sugar drop one. And let's see, what other one? I have this one here, which is like a gummy jelly type resin. And I only have one of this, which was in with one of the mixture bags that I bought a while ago. I can't remember where I bought it from. But this one is so adorable, and I only have one. So I think I'm going to have to keep that one for myself. So there's that. Here are some more sugar drop ones. I really love the white icing coating on there as well. Truly love them. So there's that. I also had these lollipop pieces gifted to me from Kathy at Kathy's Favorite Things. I think it was this one that was from Kathy, and I think I got this one from some mixture bag. But I added the silver bale on there. Now I used a bigger one because these ones are a little bit heavier than some of the other little resin pieces. So I added a bigger charm bale. And I am going to be using this for like a tag flip or something. I'm so excited to be using these. Now this is a larger size popsicle, like ice cream popsicle one. So again, I used a larger bale to hold it nicely. And you guys, that E6000 glue is magical. It just holds on to things so strong. So there's that. I also have this gummy heart shape, which I'm going to keep for myself because I only have one. I'm going to have to try to somehow find them. Here's another lollipop piece. Love the colors in that one. I'll show you some ice cream ones now. I did do a video of the resin pieces that I got from AliExpress. I will also have that video down in my description area if you haven't seen what I bought from AliExpress before for the 2021. So that ice cream was part of that purchase. And here are some ice cream charms that I made using the bales. Oh my gosh, I love sweet treat resin pieces so much. Let me show you some heart one. This is another beautiful heart one that Beth made for me. Oh my gosh, I think I want to wear this as a necklace, I think. So pretty. And here are some heart ones that I have made. So out of all the heart little pieces that I had, I turned them into charms by adding these clear bales. So I had these fuzzy heart shapes. And some were gifted to me, and some I already had, and I turned them all into little heart charms. I love these. Look at that. Imagine them dangling off tassels or beaded charms, you know. It's just going to be so pretty. Then I also had a whole heap of resin rose pieces that I was going to just use as part of an embellishment decoration and stuff. But I think I had these, you know, just sitting in my drawer for a long time because they're a bit more heavier to use as part of just an embellishment. But I thought these would be perfect to turn into charms by adding the clear bales to add to my beaded dangles and things. So here are some resin rose pieces. Oh my gosh, I love these so much. And Michelle, if you're watching, remember that sticker that you gave me, the lovely rose sticker one? I took off the sticker backing and I turned one into a charm, and I absolutely love it so much. Look at that, isn't that pretty? I could have a box of these. So pretty. Then, so I've showed you that rose one. Then some of the bunnies that I bought from AliExpress and the teddy bears I will show you now. Now I have shared with you guys these things before. I'm just showing you again because I've added the clear bales and I'm super excited to have these in my collection now. So I can easily use these to add to my whatever craft that I'm going to make in the future. And I love these bunnies so much because they have like a clear, they've got, okay, I'm dropping everything. They have like clear faces, but they have pink backing. And then they've also got like little tiny glittery drops in there. It's just really, really pretty, you guys. So there's that. I've showed you these ones before. And then, oh, here's another teddy and the ice cream one with the kitty cat in it. Here is my only donut one with the heart, which I used the gold one because I thought gold and the pink go so nicely together. So I did that. Now, these are all the pieces that I got from a mixture bag. French fries, once upon a time, little slippers, hot air balloon, like little cocoa drink, donut piece. I love this one because it's got like glitter sparkle in it as well. I love that French fries. I don't really like eating French fries, you guys, but I think I really love this resin piece because of the color combination. It's just so pretty. Here's another one that I have by itself. Here's another perfume piece that I only have one of. Oh my gosh, so pretty, you guys. So there's that. These are some of the things I also bought from AliExpress. It's a lovely takeaway cup with the bunny ears and glitter sparkle throughout. Love it. I added clear bales on the little candy piece here. Oh my gosh, I love it so much. And then here's another tea resin piece I bought off AliExpress too. And here is an ice cream one with the kitty cat. I got that from AliExpress. I got this princess one from AliExpress and I added it like this. I just love it so much. Okay, here's another thing. Now with these resin pieces, because Princess is like human, right? So I don't really like dangling the bail straight on top of her head because it's like I'm holding onto her head with a string. So I tilted her a little bit to the side so it doesn't look as bad, you know? I'm just weird like that. So here's another rose piece here. And here are some different ones that I only have one of. These are my precious things that I only have one of, that I turned them into charms. So if the resin piece is like a bit thick like this and heavier, I use the larger bail. And I really love it like that so much. I have bought these rainbow glitter sparkle resin pieces from AliExpress before, and all I did was added the clear bails. Oh, I love them so much. These are the ones that I only have one of, which I turned them into charms by adding the bails. I love them so much. Where do you guys buy this? Because this one was gifted to me a long time ago. And I have been keeping it because they're just so precious. And now I've turned them into charms to use for my project. So pretty. Here is my little tiny hat. Here's some bow. This is like a Hello Kitty piece that was gifted to me a while ago. And I have been keeping them because of the color. And now I have turned them into charms. And these are the pretty pink bows that Beth also sent to me that I've turned them into charm. My rose piece. Here is a butterfly piece that I had that I turned them into a charm by adding the gold bail. Love that. So that will go to someone who loves butterfly. Here is my only star piece with the little tiny star pieces inside. I'm going to have to keep that for myself. I love it so badly. And this one, what I did was I had a cloth piece of the glitter sparkle star piece. And I just added the clear bail. And then on the other side, I had another holographic piece of the star, so I turned them into like double-sided charm. So if it turns around, you can still see both colors. So I did that. And then I had this fairy button, which I turned into a charm. Here's another Hello Kitty type glitter sparkle bow. And I also had these alphabet plastics with the letter S. So I turned it into charm by adding the clear bail at the back. And I love these clear bails. I think I'm going to have to buy some more because I have more resins I can turn into charms if I needed to. And these are really light, so it makes it really good to ship as well. Like I don't like sending parcels that just take up too much weight for one thing. I like to fit so many things in a box instead of just sending few things that weigh too much. You get what I mean? So I really love ways of thinking of saving the weight. Now this is really interesting. Oh, before I show you, I had a pineapple button I turned into a charm. Here's another chocolate ice cream. And here is a rose piece. Now, what else? I've done, these are the only ones I have. Turn them into charms. So this is a heavier floral piece, which I used the larger bail. Love those. Now I had these little tiny pom-poms and I really love the color combinations that I have. So I decided to add the E6000 glue onto the bail, and then I added the 3 little pom-poms and squashed them together to hold it. And now I have new pom-pom charms. Isn't that adorable, you guys? I love this so much. Here's a tea one I showed you. And this one, I have a lot of these faceted gem pieces, these like little embellishment gems, and I decided to glue both sides of the clear plastic bales. So I put one on here and one on the other side. So it looks as if it's like a round piece. So I've created that and I really, really love that. So I will show you one more time all of the things that I've been gluing. Oh my gosh, I love these so much, you guys. I hope you guys, if you have some resin pieces lying around in your stash, maybe you can have fun gluing the bales onto them and turning them into little fabulous charms that you can gift to friends, and also to make lovely beaded dangles and tassels and whatever you want to make. You can add these to tag flips. You know, to make the tag flips more exciting, you can hang like little lollipops and things on the side as well. So I hope you enjoyed looking at what I have done gluing over the weekend. Thank you, everybody. Have a wonderful day. Bye.